Hi there, this is Trail Rider 570, and this video is brought to you by Kemi Moto. They sent me another item to review, and it involves my truck here. They like unboxings, but realistically, I guess you call this an unbagging. They also, besides do ATV and UTV accessories, they also do car parts, so car accessories and stuff, and covers, and if you saw my last video, they sent me this little console cover here with got a phone holder in it and everything else. It pads it a little bit. Well, they sent me that. Well, they sent me another item to review, and it's basically, it's one of them. It's going to be hard to describe and explain. So what it is, this is a cover that will literally cover the whole front of the truck up to the box. So if you leave your truck outside and you got suspecting bad weather, that's what this cover is for. And I will break it out, and I'll get it installed on the truck, and we'll go over it from there. But it comes in this really nice bag and everything to transport it. So the cover's in here, and yeah, so we'll get it out, and I'll get it mounted on the truck, then we'll talk about it. So we'll get back with you after this. With you, it took me a little bit to figure out. What I ended up doing is, I have a Ford, so I got the step in the tailgate. I rolled my tonneau cover up so I could stand in there. Then I had an extra, I did this by myself. I had one of these awning hooks laying around, so I had one of them, but it requires two straps that go underneath the truck to hold it in place, one in the front, one right here, and one right here. Then it's got cutouts for the mirror. The only thing I do not care about is, see what it does to your antenna. What they should have done is put a slit or a pocket in there for your antenna. What I may do is just put a little slit in here, and for the antenna, but the antenna did flex back. But they give you these cutouts for your mirrors here. It covers the whole entire front. It's got reflectors on it. You can get right down there like that. It's got reflectors. It covers all your lights. And what you'd probably use it for is if your truck was out in the weather and there's a chance of a hailstorm or something like that coming, and it does have, it's ventilated, so you could crack the window in your truck and right here, and it would ventilate inside the truck. So it does get vents in it, but it's a bear to put on. I'm gonna tell you right now, it took me a few minutes. There, it is labeled front, so it is a bear to put on, but I got it on by myself. I did start using a ladder, but I ended up getting creative with just a hook and taking the tonneau cover back. So that being said, material too is like a it's got like a rubber backing kind of feel to it, and it's like a nylon mesh type material. It's got elastic where it needs to, and it's got really nice stitching in it and stuff like that. But I did notice right here we got a few spots, but that's just, I think it's just dirt for me getting it on. But then it's got the buckles right there. I'm not going to run the straps through. I'm not going to put it fully on there. But it's got cutouts for your mirrors, pockets for them to fit in. Like I say, it's got the vents. Then on this side, then we got reflectors here. So I guess that's, if you got it covered up, nobody's going to back into it. The whole front end's got reflectors. It does have a vent on this side as well. And what I'll probably do with this is I will use it for a dust cover when my truck's sitting in the winter months, because I don't drive it in the winter months, and I'll just put it over it and at least keep part of the truck covered. And it's got a reflector over the back of the cab, obviously. But if you like this, I will post a link in the description where you can get this thing, and I'll even if you click on that link, it'll give you the current pricing too. So, and I'll see if I've done 2 reviews, and I'll see if there's promo codes or any kind of discount available for it. And it's come shipped in this bag right here, so it folds up and fits in that bag. But that's what it looks like, somewhat installed. The only thing I didn't do was put the straps underneath it. But yeah, Kemi Moto sent me this, so do a review on. Like I say, the antenna, I'm not fond of that. Been nice if they'd just put a slit in there and reinforced around it, you know, put some binding around it or whatever, so that the antenna would just stick straight up. Other than that, I mean, it'll work. Protect the front of your car in a storm or whatever. So yeah, so anyway, guys, that's about all we can do. I didn't do an install video because it's a matter of taking it out, figuring out there's a label on the front. It says front, and the pockets were free mirrors, and just start at the front, work your way back, and put the pockets. It's great if you got somebody who can give you help, a wife or whatever, she's around to help you, you know, hold it in place to put it on. But yeah, so anyway, there it is. This will be my thumbnail. Like this, I'll give it a thumbs up for function. Installation takes a little bit to figure it out, but I got it on there, and yeah, so I'm going to take a few my thumbnail with it, and then I'm going to pull it off and put it back in the bag and in the video. So thanks a lot for watching. I'm going to take a few stills of it as well, because they like to have pictures. And for now, this is Trail Rider 57 saying goodbye, God bless, and I'll end the video with some photos. So here we go.